Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it is Lookfantastic and Bobbi Brown. This is what the box looks like. Inside contains 5 Bobbi Brown products. It has a value of £103 and can be purchased for £50, but if you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box, then you're able to have £5 off if you use code BOBBYSUBS. I'll pop a link to this box down in my description, as well as the code and all the other limited editions they have, as well as this subscription. If you're interested in taking a look, then underneath this video you'll see a show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So inside we get a booklet, the edit, and it details everything about the products in here, so I'll refer to it as we go along. Let's open it up. Ooh. I'll give you a sneak peek. You're not gonna see much. Pointless. It says get your glow with Bobbi Brown. In this Makeup Essentials beauty box, we've curated 5 luxurious products together with the creative minds of Bobbi Brown to ensure you're never too far from that lit from within glow that we all crave. But that's not all. You'll find within these following pages an array of tips, products, insights, and a bit about the brand to get you excited about these incredible products. So let's not wait anymore. Unwrap a little bit of joy this month and up your beauty game with Bobbi Brown. Okay, first up, this is the iconic face cream, Vitamin Enriched face base, and we've got 15 mils here. This is really lovely. I've tried little minis in beauty boxes before. Even though Bobbi Brown has been around for years and years, I don't own many of the products. I've only tried little samples that I've received in different boxes, but it's a great way of getting to know a brand, isn't it? Let's try a little bit here. Oh, see, it's so thick and luxurious. Really thick. Oh, yeah. It smells amazing. I do really like this cream. One of these face bases are sold every 24 seconds globally. This hydrating, nourishing formula works as a moisturiser and primer in one, whilst giving your skin a daily dose of vitamins and hyaluronic acid to replenish the skin's essential nutrients. With uplifted grapefruit. That is the scent. Why doesn't that come to mind straight away? Yeah, it's obvious. Grapefruit. To energise the senses. It's no wonder it's our best-selling moisturiser. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it. So that's the first product in the box. Next up, we've got a pot rouge for lips and cheeks in shade Powder Pink. That's the outer packaging. Even though I have seen this online, my mind just goes completely blank when I'm unboxing. But I was thinking, please don't let it be too pink. You know, like bright, bright fuchsia pink. But it's not. Look, it's not. It's like a coral pink, which is nice. That's a really lovely shade. I use a dampened beauty blending sponge to apply creamy products like this, and a lipstick as well. No, that's a nice shade. This is a full-size product. Our most universally flattering shade, Powder Pink, is perfect for that romantic, luminous flusher colour to the cheeks or lips, long wearing than traditional cream blushes. This formula glides onto the skin with supreme blendability for the perfect flush of colour. So there's that. We've got a crushed oil-infused gloss, and it's in the buff. Oh, it's a shade as well. I was thinking it's just a clear lip oil. That's lovely. It's very, very similar to the blush that I just tested. A subtle colour there. But yeah, I do like that. This is full size, and it says that ultra lightweight oil-infused formula glides on lips smoothly without the sticky or tacky texture found in traditional glosses. This sheer creamy oil gives lips a glass-like shine. The shade in the buff perfectly pairs with a powder pink pot rouge for cheeks and lips. And then it tells you how to use it. There's that. Next up, we've got a little teeny tiny sample of Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm. This is in Bare Glow. And we got 5 mils there. Feels really nice. I think I have tried this before, you know. I think I have. Oh, it smells nice. What's it smell like? It smells something. Yeah. This skin boosting balm imparts an instant glow with pearl particles and a burst of hydration. With skin improving benefits, it helps energize the look of tired, dull complexions to bring back skin's natural radiance. And it says to apply all over as an illuminating moisturizer on bare skin or layered over skincare. Press into the high points of the face over makeup for added glow. This formula can be mixed in with any foundation to customize the formula for a radiant, dewy complexion. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a highlighting powder in shade Pink Glow. See, outer packaging. Got a mirror there. Just take that off. Give you a look first. Can you see? Ooh. Oh, wow. There, can you see? And I've got a little bit up there as well. It has like a pinky salmon sort of shade to it. Very smooth, very, very smooth, but for me personally, I'd have to put a tiny bit on. That is quite a full-on highlighter. I like it more natural, but that's just my preference, isn't it? But it is really pretty. So this is full size. Achieve a naturally radiant, lit from within glow with this smoothing, brightening, glowing formula. The ultra-fine pearls fuse the benefits of a gel and powder for the smoothest hybrid highlighter with a clear base, making it perfect for all skin tones. No harsh glitter. This formula leaves a skin-soothing, radiant finish. And then it tells you how to use it. So those are all the products inside this limited edition Bobbi Brown with Lookfantastic. So I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got the Vitamin Enriched Face Base Cream. We've got a Crushed Oil-Infused Gloss in shade In the Buff. We've got a Lip and Cheek Cream, Powder Pink. We've got an Illuminating Moisture Balm. And lastly, we've got a highlighter and powder in Pink Glow. So the cost of the box is £50 or £45 if you are a Beauty Box subscriber, and it has a value of £108. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the brand Bobbi Brown in general? And also if you've bought this box for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.